We're at a house. I will give you the address in a minute. When I ask Ben what it is, I don't know. Really, the only thing that this house needs is to be cleaned. And actually, the surfaces and everything are fine. There's just a couple of areas that the paint is a little wonky. So when Ben's done, I'm gonna go ahead and get a video for rental, but this can go on the market immediately, and it just needs touch-up paint throughout, or I mean to be cleaned really. Yeah, it needs to be painted in here. But I mean, most of the paint, I mean, just touch-up paint like that isn't, there's no power. Otherwise, looks good.